Everyone. So we have successfully completed the chapter admission of a partner. Now the next topic is a retirement of a partner. So as the name indicates, a partner may retire from the partnership firm by giving a notice to other partners. Generally, the partner will retire due to many reasons because of old age, ill health, or less interest in continuing the business with the other partners. So, in such a case, the partner who want to retire will give a short notice to other partners so that when other partners agree, he can retire from the partnership firm. So, this is termed as retirement of a partner. Now we've seen that at the time of admission of a partner, many accounting adjustments are required. So, in the same way, at the time of retirement of a partner, some adjustments, accounting adjustments are required. So, let's just recall what is the meaning of reconstitution of partnership. A reconstitution of partnership means a change in the relationship between partners. A change in the existing relationship between partners is called as reconstitution of partnership firm. Why we are discussing about reconstitution? Because admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, death of a partner, all these are coming under the reconstitution of partnership. Because whenever there is an admission, or whenever there is a retirement, or whenever there is a death of a partner, there is a change in there's change comes in the existing relationship between partners. So that is why all these admission, retirement, death are termed as reconstitution of partnership. And here one more thing is to be noted that not only admission, retirement or death, but if the partners agree to change their existing profit sharing ratio to a new ratio, there that also comes under reconstitution of partnership. So change in profit sharing ratio between partners also comes under reconstitution of partnership. For example, if A, B and C are partners sharing profits equally, but from 1st January 2020, if they decide to share the profits or losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1, that is called a change in the profit sharing ratio. That also comes under reconstitution of partnership. Now, let's see a case study. If A, B, and C are partners and their profit sharing ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2, you may identify the following cases. Case 1, A, B, and C decide to share future profit equally. Which case of reconstitution is it is? So, can you guess? It is what it will be. And after discussing all the three cases, we will come to the answer. Case 2, Mr. D joins the partnership firm as a new partner. Which case it is? Which case of reconstitution it is? Means it is a change in profit sharing ratio, or admission of a partner, or retirement, or death. See the case 3. C decided to quit the partnership due to ill health. He want to go out of the partnership because his health is not good. So which case it is? So in the case 1, they are changing. The existing ratio is as given in the beginning. It is 5 is to 3 is to 2. But now they have decided to share profit equally in case 1. That is the case of change in profit sharing ratio. In case 2, a new partner is joining, so it is admission of a partner. And case 3, a partner is quitting the partnership, so it is a retirement of a partner. So let us check the answers. Case 1 is a change in profit sharing ratio. Case 2 is admission of a partner. Case 3 is retirement of a partner. All these cases comes under reconstitution of partnership. Why I am saying about reconstitution is retirement also comes under reconstitution. Once again I am repeating. A reconstitution means a change in the existing relationship between partners. It can be change in the profit sharing ratio or admission of a partner or in case of retirement or death of a partner. All these are called reconstitution of partnership firm. And at the time of these cases, we need to make certain accounting adjustment. So, today our topic is the retirement of a partner. So, at the time of admission, whatever things we have done means revaluation of assets and preparation of revaluation account is required at the time of admission as well as at the time of retirement. Adjustment for goodwill is required at the time of admission as well as at the time of retirement of a partner. Adjustment of accumulated profit and losses means reserves and all is required at the time of admission of partner and retirement of a partner. Then the new next two cases, that is preparation of capital account and capital adjustment and preparation of new balance sheet. These two topics are limited this year due to COVID-19 pandemic. And the second last, that is preparation of capital account, is only there at the time of admission and retirement. Capital adjustment is deleted both at the time of admission and retirement of a partner for this year. Thank you.